Hello everyone, I am Edmund Try at Samsung Company. Today, I want to talk about my mechanical engineer that I admire. He is about 14 years old. He tall and slim, with short black hair. He always looks less and professional. He friendly, handsome, and very responsible. He often has uh, influenced and explain things clearly, clearly. Clearly, he is a mechanical engineer in the production department at Samsung. At work, he designs machine parts, checks a machine, and solves technical problems. One on the production line, he often wears a company uniform, safety shoes, and sometimes a helmet and gloves. I admire him because he works hard and inspires me to become a good engineer in the future.